Hello, my dear friends. I've come back with one more story of King Akbar and his minister Birbal. But we all know that they are more friends than king and subject, and they love to match their wit with each other and play pranks on each other. In today's story, we'll see one such episode. This morning, Akbar is in a very mischievous mood. I must do something about my great clever minister, Birbal, he thinks. And so he chalks out a detailed plan. He sends for his most skilled carpenter and tells him, I want you to make a trap which does not look like a trap. No problem, says the carpenter, I can get it made by this evening. And so he does. The next morning, Akbar goes into the court and places the trap at the entrance of the court. And in it, he places a delicious red Kashmiri apple. It's time for Birbal to be coming, and so Akbar quickly goes and hides behind a door. Birbal comes gingerly walking towards the court. As he enters, he sees this delicious apple and he's curious, just goes to take it. As he puts his hand on the apple, the trap shuts close and his hand gets trapped. Birbal is trying his best to free his hand, but to no avail. Instantly, Akbar jumps from behind the door and comes up in front and stands before Birbal. Oh, it is you, he says. I have laid this trap on purpose because over the last few days I was finding tiny curios from my palace being stolen, and I was wondering who the thief was. I didn't know it would be you. Birbal doesn't know what to say. Oh, but don't worry, Akbar says. I won't blame you. You're my dear friend. I'll let you go. And so saying, he releases Birbal's hand from the trap. No problem, he says, but don't do it again. So saying, Akbar goes into the court, and poor Birbal is left feeling highly embarrassed and looking very silly. Anyway, that episode done. Every time that Akbar comes across Birbal, Hi Birbal, he says, how was the Kashmiri apple? And Birbal, poor guy, has nothing to say. But he's not one to keep quiet. He thinks he must get his revenge. And so he does. One day, Akbar is all set to go hunting. He loves to go hunting. Normally, Birbal would accompany him. But today, Birbal makes an excuse and does not go. He goes into the thick forest looking for game. He misses his way. It's evening and he has to get back, otherwise, it will get dark. He's a little worried and a little scared of the deep forest. Just then, he hears a sound from behind. Hey, you! What are you doing here? Stop wherever you are. Don't move further. Akbar looks behind, and what does he see? a horrible looking creature standing and staring at him. Akbar tries to avoid him, to ignore him, and tries to carry on. But this horrible creature is not letting him go. Haven't you heard me? He shouts at the top of his voice. I want you to stop and get off your high horse right now. Akbar says, oh, but you know what? I've come hunting and it's time for me to go back now anyway. So I was on my way back. Nothing doing, says the horrible man. You are on my land and you will do as I say. But Akbar says, this forest falls within my kingdom. I don't care where it falls. This is my land and you have trespassed into my territory. So you will be punished. Akbar doesn't know what to say. Okay, says the man. Do you see that tree there? You will run towards that tree, and as you run, you will say loudly, the God of the jungle, the God of the jungle. And then you will come back. All right, says Akbar. He doesn't want to prolong the fight with this creature. So he accepts the punishment. He runs towards the tree all the time shouting, the God of the jungle, the God of the jungle. And he comes back, quickly mounts his horse and gallops away as soon as his horse could take him away from the horrible creature. Reaches his palace, the safety of his palace, and heaves a sigh of relief. The next morning, both friends, Akbar and Birbal, come into court. Akbar, as usual, hey Birbal, how was the apple? Now it's Birbal's turn. He looks back nonchalantly and says, just like the God of the jungle, my lord. It's Akbar's turn to be surprised. How does he know about the God of the jungle? Oh, says Birbal, you know, last night I had a dream. And in that dream, I saw you with the God of the jungle. Akbar is too clever for that. He knows that the hideous creature in the jungle was none other than his good friend Birbal, taking revenge on him. All right, Birbal, he says, you have had your revenge. And from that day onwards, Akbar stopped asking Birbal, how was the Kashmiri apple, Birbal? So you see how the friends play pranks with each other and enjoy their friendship. Bye for now. I hope you've enjoyed the story. Do let me know in your comments. I would love to know. All right. Bye-bye for now. Until next time. So that's all, folks. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe.